Tattvam adhyatmikam drishtva, tattvam drishtva tu bahyataha, tatvibhudaha tadaramaha, tattvad aprachyuto bhaved. Tattvam adhyatmikam drishtva. Clearly perceive the adhyatmic truth. What is the adhyatmic truth? The inward truth, the spiritual truth, which is not accessible to the senses. That truth is I am. I am. That amness of the I. The truth of the inner presence, which is different from Panchabhutas, which acts upon the Panchabhutas, which is neither matter nor energy, but it is different from. Tattvam drishtva tu bahyataha, and see the external truth. What is the external truth? Including my body, sun, moon, stars, sea, mountain. Everything in this world is nashwara, transitory, transitory, transitory. Everything, heaven and hell, tatvibhudaha. When you see the adhyatmic truth and the external sensory truth, you have nothing to do with the sensory truth. They are perishable. The other is imperishable. Now, what will you become now? Identify yourself with tatvibhudaha. Become the I. Become the I. Become the I. Tadaramaha. Rejoice in being so. Rejoice, exult in being so. Tattvad aprachyuto bhave. Never fall from this truth. My dear souls, are you able to make out any proposition from here? Are you able to make out any ideal for you? Any pursuit for you? What do you have to do? Do this. Do this. The whole sadhana is knowledge sadhana. Knowledge sadhana. It is a passage, it is a voyage in jnana, in wisdom. It starts from within you, from the mind. With the help of the intelligence, it goes on and it lands on your own I. The starting point and the end point are the same. So as a sadhaka, if this is, do you believe in knowledge? Yes. Do you aim at it? Yes. Do you want to achieve it? Certainly so. If you have to do this, if you are all this, then nistudir nirnamaskaro niswadhakara evaja chalachala nigedascha yadihi yadrichiko bhaved nistutihi. Stop worshipping any or all gods. Nirnamaskaro. Do not offer prostration before any devata, any higher deity. Niswadhakara. If you are given to performing shraddha, etc. for the departed souls, stop that also. Then what will I do? What should you do? Chala achala nikedascha. You have only a refuge. One is the moving body, another is the immovable presence within. These are the two abodes you have. The mobile body and the immobile inner presence. Yati, become an ascetic. See, I was a boy, mind you, working, earning. Yati, yadrichiko bhaved. First time I found an expression like this. Yati, become an ascetic and totally resign yourself to chance, providence. There is a very special phrase here. Yatihi yadrichiko bhaved. Be an ascetic and depend upon chance. That was the one sentence I took out from this. Next day, I submitted my resignation. In my life, it was necessary for me to seek employment. I am very happy that you employed me and I have been working for you. A time has come when I have to renounce it. I am going to do something different and superior. I am very grateful to you for having been in your service. Please allow me to retire from your service. I could not think of anything else. Now, I am disclosing this to you particularly with a point. What is that point? Don't think this knowledge is intellectual. Not at all. Not at all. So I left, shaved off my hair and beard, got this, not exactly this color, kind of a cloth. My Baba, Gurudev was there. I asked him to give me the Gairava. I received it and said goodbye to Calcutta. From then on, my dear souls, it is the streets of India that welcomed me heartily. And the invisible providence shaded me. Even now, I am like this. You may find me in an ashram, maybe with some modern facilities, conveniences, etc. But this Swami is not at all so. Where could I go? Only the streets welcomed me. And the invisible providence shaded me or protected me. I felt I had nothing. I was nothing. And I wanted nothing. I like to say this many times. It's a wonderful position. My dear souls, this knowledge leads you to such a state of fulfillment.